Hello and welcome to our daily video. This video is on the Brantford Red Sox. It is presented by Brant Museum and Archives in honor of Museum Month 2021. Baseball has been a fan favorite in Brantford and Brant counties since the late 19th century. Amateur and workplace teams were everywhere. Manufacturers would often have the sporting teams as a form of employment for the entertainment of local residents. The one pictured on the left is of the 1905 Cockshut team. Women leagues were also very common. The one pictured here is of the Bertolds Cleaners women's team. The Brantford Red Sox have a long history. They first originated in 1911 when they joined the Canadian Baseball League. Unfortunately, the league folded due to World War I in 1915. The team would return to play in the Michigan-Ontario League from 1919 to 1922. In 1930, after another short break, the team would join the Ontario League in 1930 and would win both the league and Ontario championships in 1931 and 1933. The Ontario League would fold due to the Great Depression. In the 1930s, the inter-county league teams were renamed from the Verities and Emma G's to the Brantford Red Sox. The team would stay with the inter-county league until 1957 and join the Great Lakes Niagara League. Unfortunately, they would leave it the same year due to travel problems. The Red Sox would rejoin the Inter-County League in 1958 and have stayed there since, finally finding their home. The Inter-County Baseball League has been around for over a century, originating in 1919. The team's main home was at Agricultural Park, which was renamed Cockshut Park in 1957. They still currently play there at the Arnold Anderson Stadium. The stadium is named after the game announcer, which was broadcast on the local radio station CKPC. The Brantford Red Sox have been Inter-County Baseball League champions 15 times. They have won 5 times from 1959 to 1963, in 1965, 1981, 2003, 2006, and then 6 times from 2008 to 2013. They have also been pennant winners 10 times in 1950 and 51, 1960, 61, and 63, 1982 and 83, and from 2010 to 2013. To celebrate its 100th birthday, the Inter-County Baseball League announced its top 100 players. Of those 100 players, 19 of them played for the Brantford Red Sox. The ones pictured here are Jimmy Wilkes, Jamie Cork, Alf Payne, Wallace Bush, and Dave Dix. Others included Ted Baker, Raul Boris, Gord Bradshaw, Luther Shanty Clifford, Lee Delfino, Dean DeCenzo, Wilmer Fields, Harry Fisher, Kevin Hinton, Josh McCurdy, Lewis Smith, Ron Steed, Stephen Stryker, and Ray Upper. Although the residents of Brantford and Brant County have always been participants and big fans of baseball and other sports, it was after the Second World War that local residents craved the entertainment of sporting activities. Fans of the Brantford Red Sox have caused the city much excitement. In 1949, fan attendance increased with each game, starting the season off with over 2,000 at their first home game. For the winning championship game, it is recorded 5,378 people came to watch. The fans were also very protective of their team. In 1951, the Kitchener team manager used excessive stalling during the game. Though the game was awarded to Brantford, the fans stormed the field, attacking the Kitchener team and even prevented their bus from leaving. The police had to be called to restore order. Even the sports editor verbally attacked the team for their antics, calling it the most disgraceful episode in the history of baseball. With fan support, the Brantford Red Sox have continued to be an integral part of the community. Here are only a few snippets of the local businesses decreeing their support for the team in the 1976 official program. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure having you. Stay tuned tomorrow for our Pauline Johnson video.